Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 135 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Femme Couture Get Primed All Day Face Primer that I picked up recently from Sally Beauty in their clearance section, so I got this for $4.99. This primer claims to instantly perfect the appearance of skin and prolong foundation's wear. It's a translucent primer that claims to minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines. I really like the design of the packaging. I think it's so cute with the pink and the stripes. Oh, okay. And it is a priming stick. It didn't say that anywhere on the packaging, but I assumed it was. For some reason today, my pores look huge, especially on my cheeks and my nose, which is surprising because I even did a clay mask this morning that's supposed to tighten my pores, but clearly didn't do anything. I tried, but my pores still look huge. I'm hoping this primer helps minimize them. So it does have a color to it, but let's see how it actually looks on my skin. Okay, no, it actually goes on very clear. It's hard to tell where I even applied it, but it's gonna make sure it's all rubbed in. Okay, so the primer is very quick and easy to apply because it's a very large stick. Just rub it all over, and then I just make sure I got every spot by tapping it in with my fingers. And I would say that it's mattifying on my skin, and there's barely any pore minimizing, but my pores on my cheeks do look slightly smaller. It feels a little bit sticky, like a primer, in my opinion, should, so that it's going to really make sure that the foundation stays in place, but it feels very light on my skin. Like it barely feels like I have anything on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of my go-to foundations on top of this primer so we can see how it works with makeup. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I also have been trying to really sunless tan my body, but haven't been applying it to my face, so I'm gonna take some of my NYX Total Control foundation drops and mix it in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. And then I just blend those colors in on the back of my hand. If you want to see the videos where I tried out the foundation and the foundation drops to build up a kind of custom color of foundation, I will link those videos down below. Okay, my foundation is applied, and I have to say, it blended beautifully on top of this primer. It looks very smooth on my skin, and where I have large pores underneath this makeup, my skin looks very smooth. It feels like the primer created a great barrier between my skin and the foundation, which allowed the foundation to go on very smooth on top of my pores, and so it doesn't look like I have, a bunch of pores on my face. It didn't cause the foundation to bunch up at all, and it all looks very even and just smooth. Where I have dry patches as well, doesn't look like my skin is dry. So yeah, I'm gonna say that this primer did exactly what it claimed, and I definitely feel like my foundation is going to stay in place. And I like that even though this feels like it created a barrier, it doesn't feel heavy at all on my skin, and it does still feel breathable. My skin doesn't feel suffocated at all. Great, so usually I use liquid primers, but this one, since it's in the stick form and it's more of a balm, I'm surprised I still like it, and I still like the feel of it on my skin, but I think this is a great primer, and for $5, it's pretty good. You get a lot of product in here, so this is going to be able to last for a long time. I feel like out of 135 days of trying a new makeup product every day, I haven't tried that many primers. I've probably tried around 5 or so primers. Also, some of them were sample size. So I'm starting to look for more primers. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions for primers that I should try out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.